Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add a bio to your Facebook page. So let's go to the Facebook page first. Make sure you are on your Facebook page, not your regular Facebook account. How you can check this? You have to go to this top right corner profile icon. Then you'll find here your Facebook name and your Facebook page name. You have to click on that your Facebook page name and it will switch to your Facebook page account. Now you have to click on top left corner this profile icon or the profile name, and then you can see here the bio or the intro. Okay, you have to click on edit bio, then you can write anything from here. Now click on save. After click on save, your bio will be saved here as a intro or as a bio. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.